In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page filters in Looker Studio reports for the year 2025. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Looker Studio and access your report. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Page and then move to Current Page Settings. This is where you can begin to customize the data that's displayed specifically on this page of your report. By tailoring your data, you make your reports more precise and easier to interpret for your audience. Once you've entered the current page settings, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a Properties panel. Within this panel, you should see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Setup. This tab houses various options for setting up your page, including the ability to add filters, which we'll do in just a moment. Now scroll down to find the Filter section. Here you can connect data from your reports with specific filtering criteria. Click on ADD of Filter to proceed. You now have a choice. You can either pick an existing filter if one suits your needs, or you can create a brand new filter. Selecting an existing filter is straightforward. Just find one that fits the parameters you're aiming for and select it. Creating a new filter gives you the flexibility to tailor your data even more precisely to what you need. To create a new filter, you'll start by giving it a name. Naming your filter helps you easily identify and reuse it later if necessary. Next, you'll select the dimension you want to filter by. Common dimensions might include country, product, or date. Choose one that aligns with your analytical needs. Following that, define the condition for your filter. Conditions help narrow down the data displayed, making it easier to gain insights. You can choose options like equals, contains, or does not equal, depending on what you are trying to isolate. For example, if you want your report to focus solely on the country India, you might select country as your dimension and equals as your condition, then type India into the value field. Once you've configured all these settings to suit your needs, it's time to save your work. Click Save to apply your custom filter to the current page. What happens now is that any charts or tables you've included will dynamically update to only include data that fits within your specified criteria, offering a customized view that's tailored to what you need to analyze. And there you have it, a quick and streamlined way to add page filters in Looker Studio reports. I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to leave comments with any questions or insights, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.